We'll understand the concept of high concurrency clusters now. Imagine or picture a busy cafe where dozens of customers place order at the same time. Yet every request is handled smoothly without delay. High concurrency clusters in Databricks work the same way. They are optimized to process many simultaneous SQL queries from multiple users. They provide secure, scalable performance for BI dashboard, that is business intelligence dashboards and interactive workloads. This makes them the go-to choice for environments where speed and parallel access are critical. I'll see you in our next lecture.